plans by the National Bank of Rwanda to introduce its own national digital currency have been receiving positive reactions. The bank has been looking at whether it can take advantage of benefits of technology to improve financial transaction speeds and expand Rwanda's economy. It's also following in the footsteps of South Africa, which of course earlier in 2019 announced that it is looking into a central bank-backed digital currency. Take a look.
Even though the proposed central bank digital currency of the Central Bank of Rwanda isn't a cryptocurrency in a similar way to Bitcoin, for example, it's not decentralized. The currency will still be issued by the Central Bank of Rwanda in this case, but I think over the past couple of years, the way the world thinks about it and uses money has changed a couple of times already. I think this is the next phase in that evolution. And if this new central bank currency can provide consumers with relief, if it can be better store of value, and if it can make transactions and transfers cheaper, then I think by all means, I think it's a positive step for Rwanda. In our views and in our interactions with central banks, they try to regulate the service providers instead of the cryptocurrency itself, which I think is important. And that includes things like know your customers. So service providers must onboard and sign up their clients in a similar way to financial institutions like banks, and request proof of identity and then also proof of address documents. So they must know who their customers are, and I think that's an important step. And that is the first phase or the first approach the regulators across the world will be taking over the next couple of months.